All right, everybody, we just came from our scrap metal honey hole caliber collision in Southport, and that's some of the goodness we got there. Some of the goodness we got there is Andrea and Paul. Andrea, how you doing, young lady?
How are you?
I'm doing great. How about you? Staying out of trouble?
Trying to.
No, you're not.
I know.
No, you're not.
Yeah, there's this, and then there's
Lights.
something on there's the lights, and then there's something on the lift. I need to ask you.
Yeah.
Let me grab this before you get one.
Yeah, you put.
Yeah, so we're at scrap metal honey hole number 2 caliber collision, Bowling Spring Lakes, North Carolina. We always get goodness out here with Andrea. This is where Paul's left-handed Paul worked. Look, he's got Scrapple Grandpa shirt on. They faded out so bad it's not funny, Paul. That's a crappy job they got done, didn't they? But yeah, look at the goodness we got here. We got rims. Not to mention, look at this heavy. Oh yeah, heavy stuff right here, Paul. That's good. That's the kind of goodness we like to get right there. At least $12. Yes, sir. Look at that. That's beautifulness right there. We'll bring that. That's a big one. About 35, 40 pounds right there. 40 pounds times about, what did he say he was giving me for them things? I can't even remember.
I can't tell you that.
I can't remember.
He said don't say that on we don't
I know. Well, I was just saying that I couldn't remember. It was a joke. Inside joke, Paul. That was an inside joke for you and me.
Jack, but I need to ask. But I'm pretty sure it's no good.
Outback Jack.
The Jack.
Hey, what'd you think about it? Was that aluminum?
Yes.
Sweet.
It is.
It's goodness right there, bro. Nice rim. I love the rim. Like to have 4 of them just like it. All right, we gotta look at these beautiful lights we got, people. Look at these. They said, go ahead and grab them lights. I was like, you're kidding me. Man. And I know the inside of some of these things right here, there's got to be something good. It's got to be something good. I'm gonna take. We put left-handed Paul. Her name is Andrea, not Andrea, but Andrea, to work. Put Andrea to work. Look at her go. She works harder than her daddy does. And that's hard to do. Daddy's a hard worker, you know that.
Yeah, he is.
He is a hard worker. I appreciate Paul.
This should be fine. It's heavy.
I know we're gonna put them in the truck because that's going to the scrapyard.
Oh, okay.
That's going to the scrapyard. That's going to my house. I gotta tear it down.
Oh, okay.
Look at the muscles on that girl. She make Wonder Woman look bad. We never said she wasn't a little crazy. She says she's a rabbit dog. I love it. All right, everybody. I just barely got out of that hole right there. Good God, I had to jackknife the trailer. And it's tight getting out of there. But anyway, we just loaded up some more goodness, and it's always a pleasure to go visit Paul's daughter over here at Caliber in BSL, which we call our honey hole. And I guess the gentleman that used to work here used to take the metal, and now he doesn't. Sorry about that, Paul. There you go, brother. All right, on to the next one.
Okay, next one.
One more, Paul, and we're heading to the scrapyard.
Yeah, Uncle